Be reminded that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. Now go tell that to the world, okay? God ain't gonna leave us. He won't forsake us. Okay, yes, this is a hair video. Let me not get too excited. If you're new or you are already showing support and love to my channel, welcome, welcome. By the way, thank you so much, you guys. Hey, welcome, new family. Hey, welcome. I see you clicking that subscribe button. Yes. Okay. Tone it down. Gotta tone it down here. Okay. I don't know if you guys have seen this video here before, but this is the same hair. The hair is 28 inches long when it is in the pack. What I did, as you guys are gonna see, is that I did cut the hair. However, the hair sheds a lot, so much, and I didn't particularly like that. I didn't like it one bit. So, I mean, it turned out okay. It's lightweight. I used only one pack. And I think it looks okay. I'm just gonna keep this in for a little while. They have this thing called Lazy Girl Crochet Braids, which is supposed to be apparently where there's no braids and you just install the hair. So you maybe catch it in one and then you put on like that mesh or whatever. I think this is what Lazy Girl Crochet Braids should be, where you have like a 3-week-old three-week-old crochet braids and like me, or 3-week-old braids, and you choose to, hey, you know what? I don't want to wash my hair right now. Not feeling it. And these braids are still intact. So let me install another crochet install and see how long I can wear it for, you know, before those braids start hanging down. Like, it's still secure. So I'm like, they're still there, you know? So yeah, this is what I think a lazy girl crochet should be, honest to God. Like, seriously, like, does that make sense? I know it does. You know it does, okay? But to each his own. And I really think that this should be a lazy girl crochet. This is my third install that I've done with the same braiding patterns, like 8 braids, jumbo cornrows in my hair. I did not rebraid them this time. It's still the same braids. No new braids over here, no. So I just wanted to give this a try and see if it worked, and it did work. I like this hair again simply because it is so lightweight. I don't know. It's almost as if it's my own hair. This is giving me, you know what this is giving me? It's giving me almost as if like it's my own hair, because my hair, like if you guys saw my natural hair video, go check that out. My hair is literally like down to here. So I'm guessing if I did blow dry it, straighten it and all that, and add some little curls to it or whatever, and then after a while the curls just start hanging, then it'll be the same thing. Honestly, you thought this was my real hair. Don't lie. Don't lie. You know you thought it was my real, but it's not. Okay, it's not. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I might do a little bit of talk over because I like to talk. What the heck was, okay, watch the video. Hey again, so this is my hair. No joke over here, I did not rebraid my hair. You can see all that growth happening. In case you were wondering what hair this is the Bobbi Boss King 28 inch. I am cutting the hair in half, like I did mention. I am doing that, and then I'm feathering the hair just a little bit. And what I'm doing for the back, as you guys know, or if you're new here, I do like to separate the hair a lot just to make the hair look a little bit more natural. And this is just the regular crochet method that I'm doing, where I just, you know, insert the latch hook underneath my cornrow, and then I just get that opening of the crochet hair, and then I just put both ends of the crochet braids through. Wow, you all didn't even tell me that I had that big old fluff in my hair. Like, come on now. But you know what, I forgive you. Yeah, I forgive you. Now back to what I was saying. So then I just have the opening, and then I pull both ends of the crochet braids through. And of course, when it comes to is it the invisible knot or the knotless method, instead of pulling both ends of the crochet braids, I'm only going to pull one.
Here's what the hair looks like fully installed, and if I didn't cut it, that's what the length would look like on the other side here. But of course, I wanted to kind of give it that bob look. That's what I was going for. Now I'm just taking the scissors and I'm just kind of like, you know, go up, doing the up and down motion as I cut it. I can't really explain this, but just so that it's not extremely blunt, but so that it kind of look a little bit, I guess, tapered at the end. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Yeah, and I'm just going to continue this throughout. Now I do like this hair, but I'm like, you know what, I'm going to see if there's something else that I could try and do. And of course I went ahead and I got the mousse. Now I don't know if this is gonna work, but I decided that, hey, why not? So this is what I'm doing. I'm just attempting to put the mousse through it, and it actually turned out pretty good. Guys, if you've made it this far in the video, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. What am I talking about? Clearly it works. Look at this. Oh my gosh, Lord, thank you for this newfound talent. And this is what the back looks like, and this is what it looks like up close and personal. So the older the braids, I'm guessing, the better, because it just blends much better with the hair out at the front, kind of, but no leave out. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment sections what you guys thought about the video. And this is one of the ways that I could wear the hair as well. So two options there.
Is it a halfway? What do you see? Like the hair? Look at it. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, and subscribing. Be sure to share this video. Let me know what you guys think or thought about today's video. Let me know if you like videos like these, crochet hair videos, so that way it'll encourage me to do more. Okay. All right. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna keep this in for maybe about another week, God willing, and then we'll see if what I'm gonna give you guys next. I don't know, maybe I'll do another natural hair video, maybe a vloggity vlog. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so all right guys, thank you again for watching. Take care. God willing, you will stop by for my next video. Until then, okay. Take care. Bye for now.